So welcome to a series of videos on how to create an e-portfolio on Mahara. On your fee 46115811 Cyber Loan dashboard, you will see on the right hand side e-portfolio Mahara. Just below that you will see switch portfolio. So we'll click on that icon and it will open up to the switch portfolio dashboard. With create, share and engage, we're going to be creating your first e-portfolio. This particular video will show you firstly how to create a collection, how to just open a page and put that page within the collection. A very simple step in the beginning. So we'll click on that. And here we have the option under pages and collections to add. You can see I've done a few in the past. We're going to be adding a collection. So here we've got the title, which will be Reading Portfolio for this semester, and I'm going to give it the semester dates. So here I'm going to simply go through to, I'm going to enter and simply go through to here on the right hand side to pages and collections once again, in order for me to now create a page which I will then put into the collection. And this time I'm going to pick page. What we'd like you to do first is to create an introductory page. And in this introductory page, what you will eventually do is upload your myself mind map and tell us a little bit about who you are. I will show you an example in a minute. So here is your introductory page. We will show you in another video how to work on the layout, etc. But I'm just going to save that. And I'm going to return to pages and collections. Now here I have the reading portfolio that I spoke about, or that I've just created, and I'm going to click on there to open it. It will then show me any pages that I have created. Now it might not be all the pages you want to add, but you can just simply select and add pages, and you will see that they will now appear in this collection. So if I went to that, it would give me the introductory page, which I would then be able to edit and create. This is your first step on how to create just your collection and get you ready for your first introductory page.